My name is Kathan P. I belong to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I study at CareerLab Institute of Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore. I attained a score of 315 in GRE exams, and I actually went to quite a lot of places. I went to few very popular institutes, but I wasn't really satisfied with the hours that they would provide to us weekly, and that the transportation was very tedious from my place. I heard about Byju's coming to our campus, and I just loved the luxury that we would get, sitting at our own desks in our own rooms, and it is very erratic, the study life in the hostel. So I could go to the library and study and listen to lectures and live classes and all of that. So that was very beneficial and helpful. Byju's also provides with, if you're not able to attend a class, you can always refer to the recorded lecture, and within 1 week you can go through it again and you are back on track. So I thought that was something that helped me go for Byju's. I mean, I had been to a lot of institutes and I know exactly what I had to ask, if the institution was correct for me. So I had very, very long conversations with the person who got me enrolled at Byju's, that is Alan. He was very, very helpful. He used to get back to me all of my questions, all of my queries, all of my doubts as soon as it was possible. And I genuinely saw that, these people are ready to help whenever the time comes. So he created a great impression. I took no time in deciding that I had to go with Byju's. Provision of offline lectures was very beneficial. So, I spent a lot of time during live lectures and all of that. But for me, especially, the lectures on the tab and the videos are very effective because I used to do three things. Rewind, re-listen, regain the information that they give you through the videos and lectures. So, repeated listening to the information helped me understand concepts better. And as soon as I get done with the lecture, or as soon as the video gets over, I can quickly go and practice a few sums or a few questions from these sections, which are again timed. So I think it was the most efficient way to grasp information and improve and enhance your skills and your practice better. Very long time to just stay focused on a laptop screen and keep listening and grasping whatever the information you get. So I feel Tanuja ma'am's lectures are very entertaining, very lively, and the way she taught, it would seem like she genuinely wants us to know and understand everything, to genuinely wants us to score better and perform well in our exams. So that is there. Another thing that one needs to understand is that I come from a biology background. Maths is not my strong point, but the way Ashwini sir, Junaid sir had taught me from the absolute basic, taught all of us from the absolute basic. In the beginning, I found it very difficult to understand a few concepts, but they showed a lot of patience. They tried and answered all of my questions in depth, whatever I wrote at that point of time. And even Vani ma'am did a beautiful job of teaching us the verbal part. There's this thing that used to happen that every month or so there used to be a call from teams of Byju's, and about everything they used to discuss about every little detail that practiced or undergone for the preparation of GRE. You don't always sit and examine as to how you progressed, but just talking to them helped understand that since the past 1 month what you've done and how you've progressed. More than informing them, it was just your own understanding that yourself gained an idea as to how your graph had gone, how much of progress that you had made. To be honest, I never imagined before the exams or before the preparation that I would score more on quants. But again, I'm very thankful to the team. Verbal, to be honest, is very, very tough. This was not my first attempt. This was my second attempt that I scored a 315. I was just able to score 304 in my first attempt. Whatever lectures that you see and whatever videos that you go through for verbal, they would teach you as to how to encounter the question. They would let you know about the structure words, the keywords, and all of that. But what really makes a difference is, sitting down, looking at the list of the GRE words that has been provided at Membean or on some of the other websites, and encountering them in such a way that you can break them into suffixes, prefixes, and root words, and try understanding as to where this word would reference in the part of the sentence. And so a lot of alone time with the words and with the reading matter would really help a lot. For quants, I would say, I think Byju's has absolutely outdone itself, and absolutely trust so I'm very happy with it. And don't give up on yourself. I was absolutely broken when I had just gotten 304. That is not because I had worked really hard. So just don't give up. Give yourself, another chance and keep going.